I got the opportunity to film a 1 minute commercial for a company, Casante Business Solutions. They are launching an app called Therap Connect, a mental health awareness app that connects users who feel they are going through stress. Life can be hard sometimes, and they want to connect to therapists, counselors, psychologists, and all those professionals. That app is on the App Store and Play Store now. You can go check it out and come back. Now, when we were shooting that commercial, it dawned on me because I saw a DM from one of my followers here that says, can you also use the 3-act structure that I explained in an earlier video to do something like this? So I said, okay, let me give a response in this video. Now, in that commercial, what we did was position our character inside their normal environment, just like what the setup will say. Remember, we have setup, confrontation, resolution. So in this case, we have our lead character who is battling mental health issues, in this case schizophrenia.
There is someone following me. He follows me everywhere. I cried for help, but none came to my rescue. I tell my friends, and they all think it's just a figment of my imagination. But I know he is real.
Now, she says to her friends that there's someone following her and she sees this person real, but her friends do not see that person. And then she wants a path to healing, right? That was the entire video or commercial. So this is what we did. In the setup, we established her battling with the mental issues, what she sees, the schizophrenia. She sees another man, a manly figure, holding a knife most of the time, wanting to harm her. That is her comfort zone currently. And then we move to confrontation. Confrontation is when her friends tell her, no, what you're seeing is not real. We are not seeing that as well, so you might as well seek help. Now, somebody is living in their normal life. They see this person they think is real. Remember, anything you feel is real is from the mind. What your mind is able to comprehend is what you conceive as real. So that's their comfort zone, and now your friend wants to shift you out of that comfort zone. That's a confrontation. The confrontation shifts you off balance, and then you need to fight your way through to find your balance back, right? So now, after her friends told her that, she still sees this person, and for the first time she begins to walk away from this figure that she sees all the time. And then she moves into the washroom. That's our resolution side. She moves to the washroom, looks into the mirror, and still sees that figure, right? So that is when she has to confront her fears and in turn change. That is the resolution side. So she sees herself in the mirror. Remember, as a human being, you have to see your own reflection in a mirror. So seeing another person, another figure in a mirror means that you have actually shifted a lot, right? So her resolution, remember, resolution always changes the character for the better or for the worse. So in this case, we are changing her for the better. So she sees the figure, and for the first time in her life, she was able to say to that figure,
You are not real.
Don't give in to the pressure. Get help today. That is how the story curve goes from here to descent. So setup, she sees the person, her friends try to shift her off balance, and then she fights her way through it to the resolution. So remember, as far as the 3-act structure is in place, every story you want to write can be written. But then I think you should also check out the application, seek help. if you are brokenhearted, if you're depressed, if you're feeling lonely, if you feel there's something not going right, please seek help. The pressure on this planet now is unbearable. It's just out of the roof. So please seek help. The app is called Therap Connect. You can check it on the Play Store and the App Store. And come and thank me later. It's Master X here again, your 21st Century Director. Ciao.